In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build websites and landing pages with Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to the Getting Started page. This is a good launch point because it makes it easy to access Notion templates and see what is available without building everything from scratch. Once you are there, click on Explore. Explore takes you into the template marketplace, where you can find pre-made layouts designed for specific goals, like portfolios, product pages, and landing pages. Using a template saves time and gives you a structure that already looks polished. Next, click into the search field and type your keyword. In this case, you are looking for a landing page template, so type landing page to narrow the results. When the results load, find and click the template called Landing Page Website. Note of theme. This theme is built to look like a real website, with sections that are easy to customize directly in Notion. Now click Add. When Notion asks where to add it, choose a new theme space. This keeps your website project organized and separate from your personal notes, especially if you plan to reuse the template or collaborate later. After the template is added, click See Template to open it and review the layout. Spend a moment scanning the page so you understand how the sections are arranged. The clearer your structure is in Notion, the smoother the website build will be when you publish it. Inside the template, click the section that references turning your Notion page into a customizable website using Super. Then click the part that says you can build high-performance, customizable websites with Notion. You may see similar lines of text more than once in the template, so follow the same idea and click through until you reach the option to join Super for free. On the Super page, click Sign In with Google. Select your Google account, then click Continue to approve the sign-in. After that, you will go through a couple of continue screens in Super's welcome flow. These screens simply finish setup, so keep clicking Continue until you reach the main dashboard. Finally, click Create Site. When prompted, click the highlighted fields to connect and confirm the Notion page you want to publish. Once selected, Super will use that Notion content as the foundation for your landing page website. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.